Hey, rooster, you gonna crow for me? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah, I guess not. Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. It is a Thanksgiving long weekend in Parksville on Vancouver Island, and we have a mission today. Number one, we gotta get a pumpkin for Sierra. She wants to carve it up and get it ready for kind of the October feel and Halloween and all that kind of stuff. And number two, Charlene and I are gonna go check out a waterfall. It's the fall again, the rains have come back, and the waterfalls are beautiful and full. It's gonna be so good. Destination number one, Pumpkin Farm. Adam, what are you doing here, man? What are you gonna do today?
Hopefully not fall in the corn place.
You fell in the cornfield before?
Hopefully not. Last year. Yes.
You fell. Is it free to go?
Oh, yeah.
We all fell.
Yeah, I fell on my knees.
Found some friends, hitting the corn maze, seeing some pumpkins. Yeah, so the corn maze is absolutely destroyed. The wind, the rain, the last couple of days have just broken it down and just decimated it. There's a lot of corn still standing, don't get me wrong. It's tall too. It's a good probably 10, 12 feet high. I didn't realize corn stalks got that high, but it's not good for a corn maze anymore. So yeah, all right, I'm on my way out. All right, so we got our pumpkin. We're set for Sierra. Did Sierra want the pumpkin?
Yes.
The family wants. This is a mini pumpkin we're getting this year. I don't know if she's gonna cut into it and make it look good. We're good, we got it now. We can hang on to it for Halloween too. All right, off to part two. Destination number two, Little Qualicum Falls. So one of the things I'm really looking forward to as winter comes again is the chance to get out to some of the provincial parks in our area that have waterfalls. Last year, Charlene and I got to go to a bunch of places with waterfalls, and now that the rains are back, that means that there's a lot of water coming down, and they're just spectacular. Yeah, let's talk about Thanksgiving. Favorite Thanksgiving food to have? Is it just the traditional turkey?
No, I make a special mashed potatoes. That's the highlight in our family.
Yeah,
it's got bacon in it.
Bacon and cheese in the mashed potatoes.
And then you bake it.
Very, very good. And I like turkey, but I'm also partial to ham. We're having turkey. We're having turkey this year. It's gonna be awesome. And dessert-wise, pumpkin pie isn't really my thing. Any idea what, do we have any
Unfortunately,
any idea what we're having?
Pumpkin cheesecake. Sierra found a pack of
You're gonna like that.
It's cheesecake, but it's still pumpkin. I don't
Shar
like pumpkin.
loves cheesecake. If you ever want to send us anything in the mail, by the way, maybe this is a good plug. If you ever want to send us anything or have us give a shout out to you or shoot me questions, do it. Would love to hear from you. Love to interact with you guys. So good. Where are we going now? These stairs. Sierra, we got your pumpkin here for you to carve.
Thanks, Dad.
Do you want to carve it?
No.
Why not? I thought you wanted to carve it. We got the pumpkin just for you.
I just want the seeds
How
to
come?
bake them.
So that's the end of the vlog for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick footnote, I was down at the river with the camera filming. It tipped. The lens, the mic, all got submerged. So at this point, I don't know if we're gonna be able to rescue them. I think I might have just killed almost all my setup. So if anybody wants to send me a new lens, a new mic, pretty much an entire new setup, just contact me through my About page. I'll be glad to take it. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.